Okay. So after that, done beta?
One eye is closed, one eye is open.
Yeah. No, this is both are open only. Make it এখানটা ঝাড়ু নেই আছে. Make it here. See this two oval like this. Like, see, this is first make oval and then join like this. First make oval up, then do like this. Okay, first oval and then do like this. First oval, then do like this. Okay, beta? This is the most nice. Aram se, take time.
Santa Claus.
Yes, we do Santa Claus.
Tanisha ke sir. Santa Claus.
Yes, this is Santa Claus.
Sir, are we gonna draw the picture which you are showing?
Yeah.
Now.
Yes, yes.
Now.
Yes.
Now what should we do?
Yeah, I see this, I see. That's fine. Aram se, take time, okay, beta? Done that much? That much done, beta? Now,
We will do like this.
just I do over here, in top of it, I just do one here, one line and two line like this. I do the two line and join this. Okay, just make it two line, join this, and erasing these things, and top things, whatever I draw, I just erasing. Okay, aram do these things. If anyone anyone not understood, please tell me. I can show it again and again. Okay. Understood, Tanisha? Okay.
Then I can make big mustache.
Yeah. You can make big mustache also. If you want to make the big mustache, you must make this big mustache also.
Move in the center. Right in the middle.
Now, after that, you make it.
I need to.
Now you best make it just one and two like this. Make it like this. Very simple. One, two. Simple. Okay. Slowly, we have to develop the characters. Huh?